What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're not working on the Subaru. We're gonna take a break from that, and actually we're gonna be doing a review on this ceramic headlight restoration kit. I have used the Meguiar's one, so I'm gonna kind of be comparing it to the Meguiar's one, which I've used that on my Subaru headlights, and it worked fantastic, but after a couple years the fading kind of came back, and I was kind of surprised by that. So obviously I'm not going to be able to give you an update on that aspect of this today, but we're going to just go through it, read the instructions, and see how it comes out at the end, see how easy it was to use, and if I recommend it to you guys. So let's go ahead and get the truck pulled around here and we'll get started. Okay guys, I do want to show you these headlights real quick. They're really not that horrible. Like, this side is pretty good and really doesn't need it at all. But you can see this side has a fade to it. So that was really my main reasoning for even doing this. So here's the box that you get. There is a bunch of contents in the box. You've got everything labeled, like this is labeled step 3, step 1. So those are just different pads. And then you've got your step 2, which is your sanding pad. And it also comes with some plastic gloves. So let's go ahead and wash the headlight. Okay guys. One thing I am gonna do is I'm gonna take painter's tape and I'm gonna tape right where all the paint is. That way I don't risk screwing up any of the paint. Okay guys, step 1. It says put on the gloves, and it says to use all of these. So it gives you 2, 1 for each headlight. You're supposed to rub this in a circular motion until it's yellowed and then move on to the next one. So it says to use all 4 of them, so I guess that's what we're gonna do. So basically you just wanna get it as good as possible. Still wanna be cautious. See all that yellowing? So I'm just gonna flip it over and finish with this side. All right, last wipe. In this step, it says to not worry if your wipes are still yellow even after you've used all 4, because step 2 is going to completely remove whatever might be left. Which on the Meguiar's headlight restoration kit, if I remember correctly, this was not a step, or at least not as extensive as it is in this kit. So I'm kind of feeling a little more confident about this one already. All right, we're gonna call that a day on that. It says to rinse thoroughly now. I did get some down here, I'm gonna wipe that off. Okay guys, for the next step, it says to fasten the red sanding disc. You've got like a red and a gray one. The red one, which is Velcro, onto this pad. Wet your headlight and do this in a non-circular motion. All right, I'm gonna call that good. Rinse your headlight. Now we're gonna do the same process with the gray one. All right, make sure it's very dry, it says. You want to make sure it's real dry for this part so the clear coat sticks. All right, and you're done. Just kidding. Step 3. All right, last step, put on your gloves, open one of the CERAKOTE Ceramatic clear coat wipes, moving horizontally from top to bottom. Clearly wipe the coating on in a single direction using a 50% overlapping technique. All right, guys, now we're gonna use this and we're gonna put on our gloves, second pair of gloves. Let's open this up. Okay, you want to go side to side and overlap 50%. Hopefully I didn't mess that up. Okay. Well, as you can see, that looks a whole lot better. We're gonna let that cure for 60 minutes, but you're basically done with this side. All right, guys, so I think the truck looks great. The headlights came out perfect. I only showed one, obviously. You wanna do each step together. So do step 1 on your left one, do step 1 on your right one, move to step 2, do it on both, you know what I mean? Because, well, really you don't need to, but they only give you enough gloves to do that, to do them together. So you'll be out, you know. But yeah, it came out great. I'm gonna let it cure for like 60 minutes before I do anything, before I go anywhere, but really I'm gonna let it sit for 24 hours. But let's go take a look at it real quick. So yeah, I think that looks great. Did what I wanted it to do. Compared to the Meguiar's one, I feel like it was the same, honestly. Same effort, same outcome. We'll see how long it lasts. I'll show you my Subaru headlights up here. I did the Meguiar's one on my Subaru headlight, and as far as I know, I did it all correct. But here's what they look like. So you can see that one is foggy. They're not too bad. They're really not bad at all, but I just feel like it shouldn't have done that. But anyway, that was the video. I hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment below. I will link that kit. This camera is heavy. I've got too much on it. See all that? See all that stuff I got on it? Anyway, thanks for watching. I do have a lot of parts coming for my Subaru. I'm going stage 3 torque performance. So if you're interested in that build, tune in. First video will be next week. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more.